So what's a project? A project is basically an initiative that has a specific start date and an end date, but it's intended to create something new. So it can create a new product, it can create a new service, it can be to create a new factory, a new assembly line, it can be to create a new building, a new house, a new construction, or even can be to manage a change there. For example, a change that we want to change as globally, we want to change your energy matrix to move to a more cleaner or to a cleaner energy matrix. Well, all those things they go via projects there. So now you understand that that's why project is basically in every type of industry. And for example, all those images that you see on the screen here, they were projects at some point. From the Air Jordan to the Microsoft Office to a Star Wars movie. And by the way, I'm a Star Wars fan. Of course, that's why I have it here. For a World Cup from FIFA, Olympic Games in Paris that this year it's coming there, from a car or anything like that. All those things are projects, and that's basically why projects are in so many different types of industries. And that's why, and so that's already set the picture that project management is kind of everywhere in all types of industries.